Good morning, students of class 4. Students, hope all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please stay indoors and keep yourself safe. Students, I hope all of you are in a joyful mood, ready for the English class. Please smile. That will really make my day. Your smile matters a lot to me. Students, today I'm going to continue with lesson 7, Who is the Greatest? So, those of you who have got the new edition of Wordsworth English Reader book, please turn to page number 56. Lesson 7, Who is the Greatest? Students, today I'll be reading the lesson, revising the word meanings, explaining the summary once again, and then I'll be explaining the exercise of comprehension. Now, as I'm going to read, please pay attention and please keep your fingers on the lines which I'm reading so that you also can pronounce the words correctly. Please pay attention as I'm going to start reading lesson 7, Who is the Greatest? Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a farmer. One day, on his way to work, the farmer saw a mouse being carried away by a cat in its mouth. He shouted at the cat. The cat became frightened, dropped the mouse and ran away. The farmer was very kind-hearted. He took the mouse home and put it in a box. He healed its wounds. To his complete surprise, when he took it out of the box, the mouse miraculously changed into a beautiful girl. The girl was very gentle and sweet. The farmer took her in as his adopted daughter and looked after her with great care. Soon she became old enough to get married. The farmer said to her, "Now, my dear, I must find you a husband. Who do you want to marry? I will try my best to carry out your wish." The girl was pleased and answered, "I want to marry the greatest one in this universe." The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. So he said, "I will get you married to the sun." The farmer went to the sun and asked him to marry his daughter. The sun replied, "I am not the greatest being. Look at the cloud that covers me and hides my light. He is stronger than me." The farmer went to the cloud and asked him to marry his daughter. The cloud replied, "I am not the greatest one. There is somebody stronger than me. It is the wind which tosses me as he likes." The farmer then went to the wind, but he answered, "Oh, I am not the greatest. The mountain is stronger than me. It is so high that it stops me from going to different places. The farmer went to the mountain, but the mountain replied, "I'm too old to marry your daughter. Look at the mouse, which makes holes on my sides and lives there whether I like it or not. My strength does not frighten him. Thus, the mouse is the greatest one in this universe." The farmer was delighted to hear that the mouse was the greatest creature in the universe. He put his adopted daughter into the box again, where she changed back into a mouse. He got her married to the mouse and they lived happily ever after. So, this was the story. And this story teaches us that size does not matter. Size does not determine strength. If a creature is smaller, that does not mean that the creature is of no importance or it is weak. Every single creature has got its own importance. तो बेटा हमको कभी नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि ये बिग है तो पावरफुल होगा और ये छोटा है तो वीक होगा. It is not like that. Size does not determine strength. Now students, I am going to revise the word meanings. The first word is far away. Far away means far off or distant. Something which is very far. कोई जो बहुत दूर हो. Second is healed. Healed is cured. Cured means to recover. पूरी तरह से ठीक हो जाना. That is known as cure. It can be recovering from an illness or from an injury. पूरी तरह से ठीक हो जाने को बेटा क्या बोलते हैं? Cure. That is healed or cure. The third word is wounds. And wounds means injuries. बेटा when we get hurt, हमको चोट लगती है और उस चोट को हम wounds बोलते हैं या injuries बोलते हैं. The fourth word is miraculously. Miraculously means extraordinarily. Beta, something which is much more than ordinary. Not ordinary. कुछ ordinary से extra. Like in the story, the mouse turned into a beautiful girl. Yeah, normally it is not possible. This happened. It was more like a miracle, एक चमत्कार के जैसा था. So here the word miraculously has been used because normally it is not possible. Then students, the fifth word is adopted. And adopted means to bring up another person's child as one's own. कि बेटा किसी दूसरे के बच्चे को गोद लेना और उसको अपना बच्चा समझ के उतने ही प्यार से बड़ा करना. That is known as adopted. Then students, the sixth word is pleased. And pleased means happy. Pleased, happy. Delighted also means pleased, which also again means happy. So delighted, pleased and happy, तीनों ही happy होते हैं. Means happy. They are three different words with the same meaning. Then students, the seventh word is being. And being means living thing. Anything which has got life. Being, living thing, creature, ये तीनों भी same meaning है. कोई भी जिसमें life हो. Whether tree, bird, insect, ant, fish, snake, elephant, कुछ भी हो सकता है बेटा. Anything which has got life is known as living thing, living being or creature. Then the eighth word is tosses off. Tosses off means to throw off. Tosses means to throw off. Uchalna. Then the ninth word is pleased. Pleased means happy. Delighted, pleased, happy. तीनों के same meaning है. Delighted means pleased. And what does pleased means? Happy. Delighted also means happy. You can write happy for delighted. you can write please. Then the last 10th word is creature, and creature means living thing. That is anything which has got life. Now students, there is one phrase also, carry out your wish, which means to fulfill a desire. कि कोई भी इच्छा हो तो वो पूरी करना. That means carry out your wish. Now students, I'll explain the lesson. Students, once there was a farmer who lived in a very distant land. बहुत दूर एक farmer था. And one day the farmer was going for his work. अपने काम पे वो जा रहा था. Then suddenly on his way, what did the farmer see? He saw that a mouse was being carried away by a cat in its mouth. एक cat ने एक mouse को अपने mouth में पकड़ा हुआ था, and the cat was going. The farmer, he shouted at the cat. He wanted to save the mouse's life. So what did the farmer do? He shouted at the cat. And when the farmer shouted, the cat got frightened. And out of fright, what did the cat do? She dropped the mouse. Cat ने जैसे ही farmer ने चिल्लाया, the cat got frightened and उसने mouse को वहाँ पे drop कर दिया, गिरा दिया. And then the cat ran away. The farmer was very kind-hearted. बहुत दयालु था. So what did he do? He brought that mouse to his home. And because the mouse was in the cat's mouth, the cat has got sharp teeth. तो mouse को बहुत ज़्यादा injuries, बहुत चोट लगी होगी. So what did the farmer do? The farmer put it in a box and healed its wound. उसकी जितनी भी injuries थी, जितनी भी चोट थी, the farmer healed them. And when the mouse was completely healed, पूरी तरह से जब mouse ठीक हो गया, so what did the farmer? The farmer thought, I'll now take him out of the box. And when the farmer was taking the mouse out of the box, the farmer mouse को box से बाहर निकाल रहा था, what happened? Something extraordinary happened. जो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था. What happened? The mouse, it changed into a beautiful girl. Now the farmer, he was very kind-hearted. He adopted that daughter. उसने वो जो beautiful girl थी उसको adopt कर लिया. He made that girl his daughter. और उसको बहुत love और affection से बड़ा किया. And that girl was also, that beautiful girl was also very gentle and sweet. अब बेटा time passed on and the girl also started growing. And the girl, she was big enough to get married. अब लड़की इतनी बड़ी हो गई, the farmer thought कि now it is the right age to get her married. So the farmer asked that girl that now it's time that I should find you a husband. And he also asked his daughter that who do you want to marry? Who do you want to marry? तुमको किससे शादी करना है? And I'll try my level best to fulfill your wish. So on hearing this, the daughter was very happy. She answered that she wanted to marry the greatest one in the universe. जो इस पूरे universe में सबसे greatest होगा, उससे उसको शादी करनी थी. So the farmer thought that in the universe the sun is the greatest. So he told his daughter that I'll get you married to the sun. So the farmer, he went to the sun and told him that please marry my daughter. Now what did the sun reply? The sun said that I'm not the greatest being. Look at the cloud. The cloud, he covers me, and what does the cloud do? He hides my light. वो मुझे कवर करता है और मेरी लाइट को छुपा देता है. So the cloud is greater than me. He is more stronger. Cloud मुझसे stronger है क्योंकि मुझे कवर करता है और मेरी लाइट को हाइड कर देता है. So now the farmer thought that the cloud is the greatest one. So he went to the cloud, and then he went to the cloud and told him that please marry my daughter. Now what did the cloud reply? The cloud replied that I am not the greatest one. Cloud ने बोला कि मैं तो greatest one नहीं हूँ. There is somebody stronger than me. Cloud ने बोला कि मुझसे भी strong कोई है. And it is the wind. It is the wind which tosses me. जो मुझे toss कर देती है whenever he likes. So the cloud is the greatest one. So now the farmer, he went to the cloud thinking that he went to the wind thinking that the wind is the greatest. पहले वो sun के पास गया. sun ने बोला कि cloud मुझसे greater है. फिर वो cloud के पास गया. cloud ने बोला कि wind मुझसे stronger है. अब वो wind के पास आया. He told wind, please marry my daughter. So wind said, look, I am not the greatest one. There is somebody more stronger, and that's the mountain, because mountain does not allow me to pass and go to different places. The mountain blocks my way. विंड ने बोला कि मुझसे भी स्ट्रॉन्गर माउंटेन है, वो मुझे डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में जाना नहीं देता. इट ब्लॉक्स माई वे. सो नाउ द फार्मर ही वेंट टू द माउंटेन and told him that please marry my daughter. Now what did the mountain say? Mountain said that I am too old. Mountain said कि मैं तो बहुत TOO means बहुत ज़्यादा old हूँ to marry your daughter. Your daughter is young and I am very old. And look at the mouse. The mountain told the farmer कि देखो एक mouse को देखो. I am so big in size, but that mouse is not frightened of me. ये मेरे sides में कहीं भी hole बना लेता है. Whether I like it or not, he is not scared of me. So my strength, my size does not frighten the mouse. Thus, the mouse is the greatest one in this universe. Now the farmer came to know that कि पूरे universe में सबसे greatest कौन है? Mouse. पहले तो उसने क्या सोचा कि sun greatest है. sun ने बोला नहीं, मुझसे greatest तो cloud है. cloud के पास गया, उसने बोला नहीं, मुझसे stronger तो wind है. wind के पास गया, wind ने बोला नहीं, मुझसे strongest तो mountain है. And finally the mountain said that सबसे ज़्यादा greatest one कौन है पूरे universe में? It's the mouse. Why? Because the mouse is not scared of the mountain's size and strength. He makes holes wherever he likes in the mountains. So the mouse is the greatest thing. And when the farmer heard this, he was very happy. So he came back home. He put the girl again in the box, and the moment he put the girl again in the box, जैसे उसने girl को box में डाला, what happened? The girl again changed into a mouse. And then the farmer got her married to a mouse, and they both lived happily ever after. So students, this was the story teaching us that size does not determine strength. Now, all of you, please turn to page number 58. We will be doing exercise A of comprehension. And exercise A is choose the correct options. To complete the following sentences. Now we need to choose the correct option and complete the sentences after reading the story. The first one. The first one is the mouse changed into a dash girl. The mouse. All of you, please write the date on top of page number 58. Write the date 11-07-2020. Please write the date on top of page number 58. And then please start solving the exercise along with me in your textbooks. Right now, you please solve this in the textbook And it's your homework to complete this exercise in your notebook also. The mouse changed into a dash girl. Okay. Then the farmer, he brought the mouse, injured mouse home. When the mouse was healed, the farmer took out the mouse from the box. That time what happened? The mouse changed into a dash girl. Two options are given. A, beautiful means very pretty to look, and B, terrible. Terrible means very bad. So the mouse changed into which type of a girl? A terrible girl or a beautiful girl? So answer is option A. Please tick on option A. A beautiful girl. Write the spelling of beautiful correctly. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. Please all of you write. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. There are two options, beautiful and terrible. We have to choose one. So the correct option is beautiful. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. I hope all of you have written beautiful. The spelling of beautiful is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. And I hope all of you know the antonym of beautiful. Beta, beautiful ka opposite kya hota hai? Antonyms means opposite. Can anyone tell me the antonym of beautiful? The antonym of beautiful is ugly. Opposite bhi pata hona chahiye if you know the word. The opposite of beautiful is ugly. So the first one is the mouse changed into a beautiful girl. Now the second. The girl wanted to marry the dash man in the universe. Okay, now the farmer's daughter, when she became old enough to get married, the farmer thought that now he should find a suitable husband for her. So he asked his daughter, who do you want to marry? And I'll try my level best to fulfill your desire. So what was the girl's reply? That she wanted to marry the dash man in the universe. Which man? There are two options given. The most intelligent or the greatest. Which is the correct option? आपने अभी स्टोरी में क्या पढ़ा? The most intelligent man she wanted to marry or the greatest man? The correct answer is option B, greatest. The girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the world. The girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. The girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. What is the spelling of greatest? G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest. G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest. The girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. And ultimately, who turned out to be the greatest creature in the universe? The little mouse. So, the girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. Please write quickly. After that, I'll erase and write the third one. The first one again I'll repeat. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. Second, the girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. Done? Please write first. Now we'll be doing the third one. Okay, the third one. There is a misprint, students. Please, all of you. Beta, the S of sun is always written capital. And there's a misprint in the book on page number 58. Beta, jo sun ka S hai, please make it capital. It's a misprint in the book. The S of sun is always written capital in English language. S of sun, G of gourd, E of earth. These are certain letters which are always written in capital letters. So all of you please make the S capital in your book also. Third sentence, the sun, please make this S capital. The sun said that the dash was more powerful than him. Who was more powerful than the sun, the cloud, the wind, the mountain? Who was more powerful than the sun? There are two options given. A cloud or B, wind. Who was more powerful than the sun? Who covers the sun and hides its light? So the correct option is cloud. So we'll be writing cloud. The sun said that the cloud was more powerful than him because the cloud can cover the sun and hide its light. So the sun replied the farmer that the cloud was more powerful than him. The sun said that the cloud was more powerful than him. Please ensure that you need to write the S of sun in capital letters. Please make the changes in the textbook also. So, the sun said that the cloud was more powerful than him. Now the fourth one. The wind regarded the dash as the greatest creature in the universe. बेटा विंड किसको ग्रेटेस्ट क्रीचर रिगार्ड करती थी? There are two options given, mouse or the mountain. विंड किसको ग्रेटेस्ट क्रीचर रिगार्ड करती थी? The mouse or the mountain? Which one? विंड को कौन ब्लॉक करता था? Mouse or the mountain? So the option is option B, mountain. The wind regarded the mountain as the greatest creature in the universe. The wind regarded the mountain as the greatest creature in the universe. The spelling of mountain is M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Wind अपने से किसको great मानती थी? The mountain. So I hope students These are clear to you? Once again, I'll read the sentences for you. The first one, the mouse changed into a beautiful girl. The mouse changed into a beautiful girl. Second, the girl wanted to marry the greatest man in the universe. Third, the sun said that the cloud was more powerful than him. Fourth, the wind regarded the mountain as the greatest creature in the universe. Hope students, exercise A is clear to you. Students, please write this exercise in your English notebook. That's all for today, students. Please read the lesson in your free time. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.